There is a sacred architecture woven into the fabric of your being, one that extends far beyond the biological. Your DNA is not simply a structure of life. It is a living expression of wisdom, transcribed with source intelligence and potentialities from beyond this dimension. When we begin to perceive our DNA as a multidimensional interface, we awaken to a new level of consciousness. We no longer see ourselves as isolated expressions of matter, but as multidimensional beings, each cell resonating with the intelligence of the universe. Within this awakened awareness lie what we call the 5 points of contact, energetic gateways within the DNA field that allow for communication with the intelligence stored within you, a guidance system that streams light intelligence. These points are not linear. They are not accessed by thought or effort. They reveal themselves through frequency, through presence, through the opening of an inner knowing and the softening of the body into coherence. When activated, the points of contact begin to hum. There is a pulsing, a movement, a transmission. It may feel like a subtle remembrance or a profound shift in perception. Either way, something inside begins to reconfigure. You are being attuned to a higher octave of reality. It is here that the transverse element becomes the bridge. This element exists beyond duality, beyond form, beyond time. It is the current that runs between dimensions, a kind of quantum fluidity that carries the codes of origin and possibility. When we align with it, we step out of linear programming and into the field where everything is accessible, where recalibration happens in an instant, where timelines merge and dissolve, where consciousness leaps beyond limitation. To experience the 5 points of contact with the frequency of the transverse element is to dissolve the walls between what is seen and unseen. It is to recognize that you are not merely evolving, you are remembering. Your system begins to speak a new language, one of frequency and resonance. You find that the body is not just flesh, it is a crystalline conductor. The mind is not just a processor, it is a portal. And the heart, when opened wide enough, becomes the seat of universal communion. Through this exploration, something extraordinary happens. Not only do we begin to sense the interconnectedness of all things, we begin to live from it. We become aware of the divine intelligence expressed from our DNA, guiding, illuminating, recalibrating. Our inner world and outer world begin to harmonize. Reality bends to frequency, and we find ourselves walking a path that was always there, yet hidden, encoded in our very being. To unlock these galactic codes is not to escape the human experience, but to infuse it with purpose, with presence, with unity. It is to embody what it means to be BioQuantum, to live from the integration of soul, science, and source, to hold the memory of the universe while anchoring deeply into the evolution of the body. This is the invitation. To remember, to activate, to align, to step into the vastness of your DNA and discover the universe that lives within you.